Okay, good morning, my dear friends. I am here with another news for you. I received my letter from TREC that my license has been issued, my real estate license has been issued, and that is on inactive status, and that will be active when I would join any brokerage. So here we go. The email I received from TREC, that is right in front of you. Thank you very much. Okay, going any further, thank you for watching the video I uploaded, and I was not hoping that many people will watch it. And coming back to the response I got from that video, you people asked so many questions, and I can categorize in three different categories. The first one was how I got registered, the first. Second thing, how was the exam, and third, what were the tips and tricks to pass the exam. I would come to first part, that is how to get prepared actually, so that you can clear your real estate exam in your first attempt. It can be quite tiring for passing six subjects over there in Champions School, studying 8 hours a day in classes and then studying in home as well, and then not getting the proper result, and then going to the prep as well. So my first point is what I have seen over there, that the subject, the course material, the faculty, the management is awesome. There is nothing I can say that there is a place or room to improve. Like, they keep adding, keep updating, so everything is perfect over there. The problem comes from the student side. The students over there, they do not participate much. I have taken classes. I have seen only few students. Like, if we are 30 in the class, so out of 30, maybe 4 or 5 students will be those who would be participating in the class, asking questions, keeping the like teacher engaged, or keeping the class momentum going on. Rest 20 plus students, they would be just quiet, noting, quiet, noting. When you are quiet, you feel yourself isolated, you feel yourself not connected, and then your learning capacity goes down very quickly. Means, if you are engaged one-to-one with your teacher, if you are asking questions, if you are making him smile, if he is making you laugh, then you feel yourself engaged, you feel yourself part of that class. But if you are not asking the question in the class, what will happen, that you would be just like spectator, just looking at the things, just listening the things. And what it does, you do not receive and save everything properly from the teacher as is supposed to. Those who are with me in the classes, they might be recalling their memory right now that I was one of those students who asked so many questions, and asking questions and then going for the next questions from my questions. And remember, those students who ask so many questions, they are quite prominent. Teachers know them by name, and then other class fellows, they also ask questions. So all you have to do is just to ask as many questions as you can, no matter how silly that question sounds to you. But go ahead, ask the question, talk to your class fellows, make some networking, make some friendship over there. No matter which class you are sitting, but if find some friends over there, find some common interests over there. Talk to the people in the break, in lunch, go together. This will help you a lot to learn. So that's the first tip for today. Thank you very much for watching my video, the first one. And I have another good news. I'm going to get you in the next video for sure, and next video would be right after 2 days. Thank you so very much for watching my video. That was my first effort to come on camera, and I'm glad I tried, and I'm glad you people gave me the response. This is my second video. I showed you my acceptance or license issuance email from TREC. In my third video, day after tomorrow, Monday, I would give you some good news about my real estate career. Thank you very much. Stay with me. If possible, like my videos, share my videos with other class fellows so that they can get most of it, and hit the bell icon as well. Thank you. You have a blessed day today and blessed weekend. Thank you very much.